And in today's video, remembering the trip to the city of Tapuirama in Minas Gerais. Optimized video remembering moments. Welcome to the Trail of Life channel.
Preserved old houses and new houses merge the old and the new. Stopping at the central square, a quiet and well-organized place where people gather for good conversations, I could see how this city has a country style. We left there looking to discover the nature that surrounds the city. Unique fauna and flora, all fantastic,